this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is DaBraeWay. I'm Bray, but you already knew that. And today we have another Amazon wig. But yeah, you already knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. You just didn't know. You knew, but you didn't know. But you knew. Yeah. So this is the Lumiere T-Part DaBraeWay wig. It's 150% density and 22 inches. I got the iPad for y'all so y'all can see for real. See for real. Yeah. That's what it is. That's what I'm about to unbox. Yeah. But you already know the link in the description. Yeah. You already know. They're not wrong. So let's get right to it. Oh, this one will be interesting. I'm gonna stop throwing stuff on the floor like I'm a little J-Can now. It's kind of food, but yeah. Oh, okay. Come on with the red box. Come on with the red box. Get out there. It says, wigs for my love. And then on the back, it tells you how to take care of it and everything. Yeah. But this is a cute box. It's definitely giving. Oh, and we got a bag for it. That's okay. Put that right there. We got a wig cap. Oh, and it's close to my skin tone. I like it. Y'all let me stop acting like that. What is this? More instructions on how to take care of stuff. So let's get ready to it. Take it out that bag. And trash it. It got a little factory smell. It got a factory smell. But I'm gonna wash it off. I don't know if people stop, like, if you see that I got a smell, would you buy it or would you not buy it? Like, I wonder, would y'all buy it? I mean, I don't have no problem with the way you have a smell because you can always wash it out, but some people don't like that. Okay, y'all, so like I said, it's the T-Part, and we have 1 and 2. I ain't gonna go so. It's 3 combs in there. It might be more, but I only see 3. It's kind of dark in here. Yeah. But, oh. Okay. It's soft. It's giving. Oh. Now they're getting a little tangled. Listen. Come on now. Yeah. But you already know what the deal is. Bleach and pluck these knots. And then I'm going to put it on. But, y'all, this is definitely some soft hair. It's probably 22 inches stretched, but you know, it's deep wave hair, so it's not gonna look 22 inches. I always tell people that, like, just because it's 22 inches, you can't expect it to have straight hair length and it's curly, you know? You gotta go a little longer if you want long. But y'all, it's definitely giving. It looks thick. I can't see right through it. And I don't know why people be so against T-parts. I guess if you want to do a side part. But I love me a T-part wig because that means I don't have to bleach that much knots and stuff. I don't have to worry about messing it up too much. I like a T-part wig. And it still can give scalp round edges. So yeah, ain't nothing wrong with T-part wig. The link is in the description, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead, look at it, see for yourself. But come on now. It's gonna give. But we gonna see how everything goes. The knots, they look kind of big, but I got my glasses on, so I'm gonna go bleach the knots, plucking everything, get it all nice and pretty looking. Then I'm gonna come back with it on. Y'all already know what's the deal. You already know how this go. So I'm gonna be back.
One eternity later.
Okay, y'all. So I'm back with the wig on. This is the final look, and it's definitely giving. Again, this is the Lumiere T-Par 150% density 22-inch deep wave wig. The knots were a little big, but that didn't stop me from bleaching them because it's giving scalp. It was easy to pluck because it's a T-Par wig, and you can't pluck too much, or you know everybody gonna know that's a wig, and we don't want that. This hair is soft, okay, like really soft. It's already giving like 5 out of 5 stars, so I think you should go, you know, buy it. Like, come on now, it's already giving. I washed the smell out. It is shed, but it wasn't that much. It's nothing you can, I mean, wigs, they gonna shed. And I think it's thick for 150%. Like, I was like, when I was first looking at it, I was like, okay, I'm not sure about you. You look kind of thin, but it's actually thick. Like, I like the little puffy look. I think it's giving. It's giving. But overall, yeah, 5 out of 5 stars. Wait, I take that back. 4 out of 5 stars. I don't have no edges because I was trying to pull out edges, but everything would have been showing, so I had to do a no edge look. So I take my 1 star back. But that's not bad. It's a T-Par wig, what I expect. Okay, 5 out of 5. Okay, I'm gonna give 5 out of 5 because I really like it, and it's a T-Par wig, so they can have a star back. I think it's cute. It's giving. It's fluffy. What I tell you, nice little summer hair, ain't too long. I think it's cute. Go ahead and order you this wig. Go ahead. You already know the link in the description. Go click on it. What you waiting on? Go click on it. Go ahead. Alright, well, y'all go look at this wig and order this wig. Remember what I said, 5 out of 5 stars, okay? But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.